So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the voice recorder app on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step is to just go ahead and launch the app on your tablet. And then from here, if it's the first time that you're using it, you will be taken through an intro on the newest features that are available. And then once you've read through the intro, you can tap on start. And then you'll need to give the voice recorder necessary permissions, such as allowing it to record audio, allowing it to access music and audio so that you can be able to save the audio recordings. And then you need to choose where you're going to be saving it. If you have an SD card added to your tablet, then you can choose to save it to your SD card, or you can choose to just tap on the option Save to Internal Storage. From here, you can now start using the voice recording app. So tap on Record, and then you'll need to allow voice recorder to send you notifications. Just tap on Allow, and you can continue going through your voice recording. So you can see currently this is the timestamp for my recording. It's already reached 10 seconds, and everything that I'm saying is being captured by my tablet's microphone as I am speaking. If you want to pause the voice recording, simply because you need to go do something else or you just want to take a break, then just tap on Pause. The recording will stop where you've selected pause, and you can go ahead, do your activity, then come back and tap on record again, and the voice recording will just start from exactly when you paused it. If you want to stop the voice recording, so you've captured enough audio, you can tap on stop, and then you'll be prompted to give your voice recording a name. So give it a random name, and then from here, you'll then see this option labeled category. So category are basically folders for your voice recording. So by default, it's set to none. But if you want to have a category for this voice recording, you can just tap on that option, select add category, give the category a name, tap on add, and then it will be selected. From here, remember to tap on save. And once you've done that, you can see the voice recording listed. So if you ever want to listen to it, just go ahead and select it. And then you can tap on play. And you'll need to allow it. Then you can hear the voice recording being played. You'll also notice on the side, you should see this option for transcribe. So whenever you tap on transcribe, it will go ahead and analyze your voice recording and then just put it into text on the side. So this is the the AI feature that's available on your Samsung tablet. Then you can see every single word that I said in my voice recording has been added here. If it's a particularly long voice recording, say for example, it's an interview or it's a song that you've recorded and you want to just get a summary of it, you can tap on this summary option. Again, agree to continue the Galaxy AI terms and conditions. And once you've done that, you can see the summary of your transcript. So this is the long transcript. And then when you tap on summary, you can see the summarization of that transcript. And you can see here, it's even been put into bullet points. So if you just need the shortened version, it's right there ready for you. And you can also continue just listening to the voice recording as you read through the transcription. So here, and you'll need to allow voice recorder to send you. And you'll see with every word that's being said in the voice recording, the specific word that's being said is being highlighted in the transcript, making it easy for you to keep track of where you are when you're reading through the transcript. And so that's how you can use the voice recording app on your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.